Our Shovelhead Hooded jacket is a fan favorite across our hometown of Steamboat Springs, Colorado.
We were inspired to take this collection to the next level with a fresh look for the men's Shovelhead and the new women's Luna Jacket and Luna Parka.
This super light down collection is not only redesigned but constructed with post-consumer and post-industrial recycled materials, making our signature Big Agnes jacket better than ever.
Super light is just what the name implies. We specialize in light gear that frees you up to enjoy your pursuits without added bulk or weight in your kit.
We test, and retest our gear to ensure high levels of durability. From ski touring to everyday winter activities, these super light down jackets pack down small and provide reliable warmth when and where you need it.
The women's Luna Parka is the perfect addition to our super light down collection with added length and style. The relaxed fit allows for comfortable layering even over those chunky cold weather sweaters, and the drop neckline provides ample room for scarves when you're headed out on a chilly evening.
All of our super light down jackets are designed with body-mapped vertical and horizontal quilting to ensure the down fill stays close to the body, allowing for excellent thermal efficiency and preventing the down from shifting around the jacket.
We know how important pockets are, so we've carefully mapped out ample pocket locations for compartmentalized organization. The Shovelhead and Luna jackets include zip hand warmer pockets, large interior mesh drop-in pockets for extra stash space, and a chest pocket to keep electronics insulated from the cold. Plus, it doubles as a stuff sack. The Luna Parka has 2 sleek exterior zip hand warmer pockets as well as 2 interior mesh pockets.
The entire collection is constructed with covert adjustable draw cords found on the hood and hem to keep the elements out while sealing body heat in. The hood visor adds even more weatherproofing and increased visibility on powder days. The stealth, no draft thumb holes insulate hands and eliminate the gap between sleeve and glove.
Look good and feel good knowing your technical apparel was designed using select materials that were diverted from landfills and repurposed to create your favorite Big Agnes layer. These versatile, everyday pieces are the perfect fit for layering under and over and keeping you warm to the core.
Stash them in your ski touring pack or cold weather camping kit. These jackets will be a necessary part of your winter wardrobe for years to come.